Donington Park, ride bike. Welcome to AP Workshops, welcome to another one of our little videos that we pop on YouTube for your entertainment. We are going to Donington Park for an evening session where our colleague, friend Nat is going to be riding our track bike. So basically in 2000, I think it was 13, we supported my friend Lee Reevely with the Golden Era Superbike Championship, which he won on that particular bike, and we are going to go and run that bike, or at least Nat is going to go and run that bike. I'm too chicken, so Nat is like, I'll take that one for a spin. So we'll see you up there. Welcome back to Donington Park, welcome back to our little film that we're doing about airing out our race bike. This is Nat. Hi Mum! There you go, this is our bike, so let me just do a quick run through the bike with you. So basically this is the 2013, I think this is 2013, is it? Yeah, Thundersport GB Golden Era Superbike Championship winning bike that we helped Lee with. So basically pretty stock fairing, pretty stock engine as it goes. It's got our rear sets on it. We're running super courses on it at the moment. Actually we're not, we're running Metzler's race techs on this one at the moment as it goes. Olin suspension all round that we've helped him out with in the past. It's got one of our airbox kits on it, the modified collectors from our mate Mark Sinclair of the Bad Rat Bike himself. Hello mate, I hope you're well. And then it's been mapped with a Power Commander PC3, so it came out roughly about 128 to 129 brake horsepower at the back wheel once it had all been done. As you can see, if you have a quick look around here, it's all kind of, there's a bit of crash damage on it, and the coolest bits, the bits that we've not took off, were these here. These are the old sort of eligibility stickers that we've got on there. Look, there's a nice little bit of history for this bike. So there we go. So we're going to have a wander around the paddocks, we'll have a look at what else is going on here, and we'll have a look and see if we can get some film footage. We'll be back in a minute. Welcome back. That was it, mission accomplished. We've done 5 sessions I think it is, at Donington Park. The weather stayed absolutely glorious. We're all burnt, we're all sweaty, and we've all got loads of water to drink. Absolutely mission accomplished. We'll give you a little bit of a rundown when we get back to the workshop. I think we're going to have to put that one back to bed a little bit now because he's just had his arse handed to it. But absolutely great, stayed in one piece as usual. Super reliable V990 engines, we love them. If you want to get in touch, please don't hesitate. We can help you with any race preparation you want for V-twin engines and V4 stuff. No dramas whatsoever. You can get in touch, sales@apworkshops.co.uk. You can give us a ring at the workshop, no problems if you wanted to. We'll see you soon, take care.